Alright, you guys, we just got here.
You will have an opportunity to have your picture taken.
Since it's the Chrysler show, we had to drive the Chrysler Ram 4500, you guys, with the RV Bucks camper on the back. It's pretty sick. Just threw it together real quick before the show. Got my ladder right here. I think I'm gonna have to sit on, but well, first I'll check the roof.
Okay.
How's the view up
and I'll
there?
be the one posting it, so if it doesn't go up right away, I might have overslept or the website 16th next year. And if you register for the show, you'll be
Tuesday. Oh, I gotta cut it off.
for our online.
Pretty good view up here, you guys. There's Mark. Dillsbury Greg, ladies and gentlemen. Dillsbury Greg. Let's go, Brandon. Bentley, are you excited? Are you super excited? Are you ready for this? We got quite the crowd up here today for this first ever 2022 Mopar Madness Rolling Burnout competition. Down here we're having a driver's meeting. So it appears we got Ken Appel down there doing the driver's meeting. Looks like we have like 8 or 9 drivers. Ford show, you guys, did not represent all those Mustang drivers. They talk a big game, but they all pushed out. There was only 3 cars in the Burnout Contest at the Ford show. Only one of them was a Mustang.
What were the other ones?
Hot rod, like old school hot rod, and like a Grand National, not a Grand National, what's it called? Grand Marquis, like police car. Police car 1. Straight Hoonigan status, you guys. Police car, pretty key. Got the Pennsylvania Turnpike back here in the background, you guys. We got the Carlisle Fairgrounds, ladies and gentlemen. Biggest Mopar show to date, Carlisle, Pennsylvania, 2022. You can't even see. Over this hill, there's so much more. Oh my God, dude, it's huge. It's huge. But hey, that's a show. The cars are parked. I do not film parked cars. I film cars in action. That's why we're over here at the Rolling Burnout competition. Some young fans stopped by. Hey, you guys subscribe to the channel, you guys? What? Oh, you guys getting up here or something? He said, no, I'm your kid. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Reese. And Cameron, ladies and gentlemen.
He's so good for cleaning the fucking roof.
Cameron Swartz, ladies and gentlemen. Reese Moore, you guys. You may remember Reese from such magazines as BMX Magazine or
So we have an exhibition
BMX
run
Pro.
from Dodge.
Not yet.
Now, typically, I would go do some driver interviews, but didn't really have time today.
This is a Dodge Challenger Hellcat Red Eye.
And what can this do from a performance standpoint? I mean, I know you're going to show off here a little bit, but on the street, what's this thing do?
Well, you got to figure that this car is 797 horsepower.
Oh, here we go. Here we go.
Is completely stock, and the horsepower is the sexy number, but these are 707 foot-pounds of torque. So
he should have let me drive.
But the great thing about it, when you asked about on the street, all the things that we do with the car, we know they're bad fast, but then you can hop in and drive it to dinner and get 20 miles a gallon.
Sounds good. And you have the air conditioning on, so
I'm calling bullshit.
20
miles per gallon, yeah.
I want to make sure Holly is comfortable, so I have got the cooling seats on.
Did you hear him? He was like, the horsepower.
No added charge.
He's got the AC on too, you guys.
No added charge for that.
So what are we going to do here? What are our guests going to see you do?
Well, what we're going to do is we're going to start
the horsepower is a sexy number. Like, we don't give a fuck.
Okay, well, obviously. I should have pulled a little further. Cameron, can you move the truck a little further forward?
No, there's some kid's random bike and
Well, you could run over it.
Dude, look, price on 15.
We're just happy that you guys have us out
The
here.
Jags, the ADR, or the Yamaha? Dude, that Yamaha? Oh, that's a Suzuki. Never mind.
No, right there.
We'll go race to hell and have some fun. And if you did not get your fix from Dodge here at the show, the thrill rides are going to return to Harrisburg in a couple of weeks as part of the Meekum Collector car auction there at the Harrisburg Farm Show Complex.
Sorry, guys.
Dodge will be there doing their thrill rides.
Had to park
So
a
if you
little
didn't get a chance
further
today or you loved it so much you want to do it again, find your way to the farm show coming up in a couple of weeks. Let's see what we got, Mike.
For the record, that is not Mike Swartz. Mike Swartz would be doing
Is behind the camera.
epic shit. Oh, it sounds good though. It sounds good, you guys. There we go. Listen to her whining. That reminds me of my wife, you guys.
I have a wife.
So a solid rolling burnout to start.
Pretty good.
Now he brings it into the donut box.
Pretty good. Time to let go of that brake now, you guys.
You might notice a drone flying around in there. Our friend Lincoln is here.
God, dude. I could do
following closely. And soon on our social media channels.
Real with it. Listen to her whining.
That Dodge branding just looks so good coming through the smoke. And that's how we're going to do it. What do you think about that?
Pretty good exhibition of horsepower, if you ask me. Nice throttle control, nice brake control, nice steering control. Pretty good. Under control. Look at these blackies. Not you guys. You guys are cool. I meant the tire tracks. That sounded so racist, didn't it? Fuck.
I had some at like.
We got Lyser.
Look out. Is Lyser go? Where is he? Lyser, you want to get up here, bro?
Get Mike back to the pits.
Get up there, bro. You can totally get up there. Yeah, the ad says 36 people can stand on the roof. Bring them up. 36 people, that's what they say. According to the ad.
Always know that's an exciting time for you guys.
We're pushing our limits here, you guys, with the Arctic Fox 1150, you guys. Let's see what happens. Those are some serious blackies. Black marks in there. How do I say that without sounding racial? Skid marks. Skid marks is what I meant to say. Skid marks. These guys just snuck up here. I do not know these guys. No chaw on the roof, though. If you got chaw in your mouth, spit it off to the side, please.
What are we driving here, sir?
2015 Dodge Challenger hellcat.
It's on. Okay, everyone, look out! Look out! Coming through. Coming through. Okay.
So the rolling burnout into the donut area.
Better start killing it, bro. Does anyone know what's wrong?
Pretty much like a Saturday night in your Walmart parking lot.
Not lock differential.
Thank you, Cameron. That's my son right there, ladies and gentlemen. That's my son. He's smart. That differential is not locked. It is not limited slip. Cameron, explain to the viewers what's going on right now.
The four-wheeler could have did a better donut.
Explain what's happening there. Explain what went
So
wrong.
we'll bring him around. He's our first official competitor. So
Why are you doing that?
what do we think of Josh's boot out there?
Now we're gonna expect not a whole lot of cheers, you guys. We don't want to hear too many
Obviously,
cheers.
First competitor, so he'll be our first king of the hill.
Okay, let's not cheer
We'll
for
send
him.
him back towards the.
You know, he should have probably made sure he had
area.
at least a limited
Talk
slip
to our next
differential in
competitor.
there before he came out and tried to do a burnout.
Big rigs are part of the Truck Nationals coming up in August as well. So what you playing here? What are you gonna do?
Donuts at the end, hopefully.
All right, let's talk about what you're driving here. What do you got?
Oh no, doesn't sound too confident, you guys.
Got it.
I don't want to hear hopefully.
Hey, go have some fun with it, man. Have a good time. Matt Borowski. He's here from Michigan.
Well, he might be Jewish with that name, but I hope he doesn't mind burning up a set of tires. Oh, okay, Cameron, what's the difference here between this car and the last car? It's actually,
He said his buddy dared him. Where is this buddy? His buddy better be in the Burnout Contest too.
he better be. Okay. And he's done. And he's done. I don't want to hear a single cheer. I do not want to hear a single hand clap. Do not put your hands together. Don't do
He
it.
just dared him to enter. He didn't dare him to actually do it.
Clap once.
All right, because we have to. What do we think about Matt's participation?
The crickets
He's
loved
gonna drive
it.
it home. Michigan's a long way away.
Mikey, this would be cool. You take the drift truck out and start drifting on the fucking
The turnpike, that's what I always want to do. Just start back here.
All right, man. Well, we hope you have a good time here.
Just blow everyone away.
Contest. Paul Miller from Maryland.
All right, let me get ready. Let me get in position for this one. Okay, all right. Not very fluent.
Not everybody has to do a donut.
Not everybody knows how to do a donut.
What do we think of Paul's burnout? All right, just remember, for most of us, Paul's doing something we're not, so. All right, hey, we appreciate Paul. A round of applause for his participation.
I better run down there and get the keys to someone's car. I would love to have had the truck.
Dude, just get this thing off the truck and go spin the flatbed.
Uh-oh, you guys. Uh-oh.
Let's get out of here after this.
You guys, it's the first ever. You got to start somewhere. You can't expect everyone to just kill it. But maybe this guy will. Judging by the lack of throttle.
There you go, Eddie Moore. I mean, he said he wasn't going to pop the tires. I don't even think I need to ask. But I have to. What about Mark's burnout? All right, well, Mark is going to be our new king of the hill.
I'm well, but when that bitch to it, take the transmission out. It ain't gonna do shit.
Thank you, Mark.
Uh-oh, we got a truck here. I like the looks of this.
If anybody's filming this for social media, make sure you tag Gritty, the Flyers mascot. Show that googly-eyed freak what's happening here.
Hashtag gritty.
Jeff, where are you from?
Williamstown, New Jersey, man. South Jersey rep.
Oh, Jersey
Flyers fan.
represent.
It's the only truck in the contest, so let's see what we can do with it.
How is that? I don't know, you guys.
I don't know about that.
Oh no.
That might not work.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Should have took the luggage out of the bed.
There you go. Flyers, Gritty, Gritty. "30 seconds in, and it's his playground for the time that's allotted. All right. Now it's in reverse. Let's see what happens here. Don't forget to put it back in drive. 1 minute in. It's a 2-second penalty for a cone there.
Super gritty. Super gritty.
Little off course,
super
but
great.
all in all, that was a good time. And to see the truck in motion like that, even cooler. All right, what do we think about Jeff's burnout? What about Mark's?
Woo!
All right, Mark stays, Jeff goes, but give Jeff a big round of applause for participating and having some fun in the Gritty B. Peter Gallagher is up next. Little drift there too. All right. Always cool to see the wheels in motion. What do we think about Peter's burnout?
I think he forgot the
What about Mark?
TCS button. Is that what they call it? TCS?
Already there.
TCS, you guys. TCS.
I don't know how many we
Gotta
have
shut
left,
that
but we
off,
know Mark's
guys.
still the leader.
TCS up. What do we got coming up here next, you guys?
Well, and that's that. I'm
That's
sorry
it?
to tell you, the guy that had the Dodge Omni didn't show up for the burnout.
Son of
I was kind of looking forward to that. So look, thanks for hanging out. Your winner is Mark Anastasia. We'll have him come back out here.
Encore! Encore!
Thank you for being here. Thank you for making it a record-setting event. 3,098 cars, first time over 3,000. Jeep lovers, there's a Jeep show here next weekend. Truck lovers, Truck Nationals presented by A&A Auto Stores coming up August 5th through the 7th.
What did you think, Bentley? Was it awesome? Was it everything you ever thought it would have
Another show at
been?
the end of August.
Me too. Me
Fall
too.
show and auction coming up end of September. So we thank you.
All right. Anyone else?
And if you're not
Anyone
coming
else,
back
you guys?
tomorrow, please drive home safely and
ants.
save the dates for next year. You are coming back tomorrow. The awards parade starts at 11. Christy Lee will be part of the awards parade. Get your picture with Christy. And have yourself a good night.
There's the anchor. Old school prevails, use. Old school. That's it. Carlisle. Check it out. Whip bash. Whip bash. One time. Out.